a problem with your Medicare billing, with you need to change your name, your address, your date of birth, there's a problem with any of those administrative things, don't call Social Security and let some lazy agent say, hey, just call Medicare. Medicare handles the insurance side of it. Social Security handles the administrative side of it, even though if you call them, they might try to brush you off. So be wise to that. If you want to get it fixed quickest, it has to go through Social Security. You can ask for the Program Service Center if you think you need a refund, your start or end date is wrong, all that billing problems, that's all administered by Social Security. The insurance side, you're going to call Medicare. What's going on over here? Why isn't this bill paid? Why isn't this accepted? That's on the Medicare side. I know. It's complicated. Stay with us. You're learning your retirement. Sometimes you're learning it while you're already in retirement, but that's what we do here at the Medicare Family. There's a lot of more information on our website, common questions that people ask me every day. So check out our website at themedicarefamily.com. Check out the resources that are available for you. Check it out at the top. And then there's a lot of videos. When you look at the resources, there's a lot of helpful videos kind of go into more in depth about what part of retirement you are confused about, which is going to be something. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe, I'd appreciate if you'd hit the subscribe button. See you next week. I put out one video every week. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.